Hello everybody. So we have been asked what is the vision for year 2022. The vision is very simple. Our focus will be shifting more and more towards the mental and the physical health of our employees, and our solutions focus would be shifting on the lean and healthy governance practices for the year 2022. So we have two missions. One is to take care of the employees' mental health as well as the physical health and make them strong, make them feel strong all the time, and help them, enable them do better in their lives, that are becoming very challenging these days. So we would like to bring in the health factor, we would like to bring in the fitness factor into the lives of all our employees. And then from our solutions perspective, we would like to bring in breathtaking, innovative, artificial intelligence driven, data science driven solutions that can manage the data, be it consolidation, be it collaboration, be it the governance, be it the orchestration, be it the analytics or the business performance. We would like to bring in automated, data science oriented, data science powered solutions going forward for year 2022. And watch out the space for more details. Thank you.